Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. So for this, first of all, you just have to open your Telegram application and then tap on these three bars in the upper left corner and now go for this settings. In settings, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see this second option, privacy and security. So just tap on it, and now if you scroll down, you can see there is no sensitive settings from Telegram app. So what you have to do is you just have to open your browser, and then in the search bar you just have to search for Telegram web and then tap on this first one, and then you have to log in to your Telegram account in this browser. And after logging in, now if you tap on these three bars again and then go for settings, and now again go for this privacy and security, and now if you scroll down, you can see this option, disable sensitive content. So you just have to check this disable filtering. By this easy way, you can easily enable and disable sensitive content on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.